guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna take you guys with me today. First, we are going to the gym. So, let's go. Now we're going in the sauna. Yeah. Hey guys. I just got out of the sauna, came to my car. I'm disgusting. I need to glaze myself in some type of perfume. I'm going to Chipotle to eat with Michaela and Brinson. Okay. Got my little, oh, it's melted. My little deodorant to put on. So, I just got to the store. It literally took me all like 15 minutes to find parking. So, I'm about to go in and I'm going to show you guys what I'm buying at the grocery store. So, yeah. Hey guys, so got all my goodies so far. I have eggs, yogurt, bananas, chicken, and then I got, hold up. Oh my god, y'all, I'm so cold. The grocery store is like insanely hectic. I guess because it's a Sunday, but there were so many people there. So I'm gonna show you guys the rest of what I got on the way when I get home, because that was way too much. Like, also, they lost the granola. Like, the manager couldn't find the granola, like they forgot where they put it, and then someone eventually found it. Like, excuse me, I'm sorry, this is probably stupid, but like, I cannot find the granola anywhere. And then we looked, and then we went and got two other people, and then the manager, and no one could find it, and they were like, oh, they must have moved it. And then someone eventually found it, but it took like 30 minutes. I'm ready to be home. But I'll show you guys what I got home, or got the rest or whatever when I get home, because it's just way too much right now. So, hey guys, so apologies about not showing you guys the groceries before, but I'm going to take them out and I'll show you guys everything. Sorry. Okay, so every single time I get an order of California rolls, this time I got the spicy ones. Sometimes I like to mix it up, so sometimes I'll do the brown rice, sometimes I'll do the spicy, sometimes I'll just do regular California rolls, but I get this every time, and I'll eat like half of the rolls one day as a snack and the other half like the next day, so like tomorrow and Tuesday. Then I got creamer. This is the Natural Bliss all natural vanilla. Yep. And then I always get the Starbucks breakfast blend. And then I got my yogurt. Usually I get strawberry, but I got regular yogurt this time. And then that's why I got my granola. I put my granola in my yogurt and in my oatmeal. I think I've shown you guys before. Quaker's apple and cinnamon. I just got this. I wanted Frosted Flakes, but I knew that I would eat so much of it, and that's like not healthy. I know this isn't that much healthier, but you know, it does the job. because I've been craving cereal. And then I just got a little thing of eggs because I still have some eggs left over. And then I got a lemon to make hot lemon water or just to cut up some lemons for my water every day to take to school. Cashews, because I like to snack on these during the day. Bananas, which they are so green in this camera. Oh my god. And then body wash, some little soap. And then this stuff is all, I'm making a casserole this week, and it's a noodle, chicken, and broccoli casserole. So I just got 2 chicken breasts, some garlic, mended garlic, however you say that. Some chicken stock, it's like the chicken broth or whatever, a head of broccoli, and then this is a little onion. And yeah. So usually I will eat for breakfast, so I'll probably eat my oatmeal with granola in it, and I just do water, or I'll cook eggs in the morning, and then I have my coffee. And then if I have class or if I don't, I'll usually usually snack on some of these cashews, and then after that I'll have some yogurt with my granola in it. Maybe one of the days I'll have my sushi. This is like, I don't eat like a full-blown lunch, I just eat like a bunch of snacks at once. And then I have these granola bars that I've been loving. They're sweet and salty. Granola bars, peanut butter, cashew, and caramel. And then I also have like just some healthy whole chips or like crackers and stuff like that that I'll snack on. And or in the morning I'll eat a banana with dip in peanut butter with a side of little granola pieces, or I'll cut up the bananas and put them in this cereal. And then same thing, lunch I snack on those kind of things. And then dinner I'll usually eat bigger, like I'm making this casserole and I'll probably eat it for dinner throughout this week. And then maybe one other day I'll like get something to eat or something like that. But yeah, that is what I eat in a week usually. So I think I am going to close out the video here, but I love you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.